Do you like pizza?
I like pizza, especially with extra cheese.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling fine. Thank you.
Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, I understand the instructions.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
Yes, I'm coming to the party tonight.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook a few dishes.
What time does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7 p.m.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
Are you learning a new language?
Yes, I'm learning Spanish.
What do you want for dinner?
I want a pasta dish for dinner.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and read on weekends.
Where do you go on vacation?
I go to the beach for vacation.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Sometimes, but I'm not terrified.
Do you watch TV often?
I watch TV occasionally.
What do you think about this idea?
I think it's a great idea.
Are you happy with your job?
Yes, I am happy with my job.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I'm interested in art.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat oatmeal for breakfast.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I'm quite good at math.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
How do you handle stress?
I handle stress by exercising and meditating.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I'm excited about the trip.
Do you enjoy spending time with friends?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with friends.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies or go for walks.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, I am feeling a bit tired today.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim.
Are you planning to visit your family soon?
Yes, I plan to visit my family next month.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to hike or watch movies on weekends.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music.
Are you satisfied with your life?
Yes, I'm satisfied with my life.
Do you shop online often?
Sometimes, especially during sales.
How do you relax after work?
I relax by reading a book or taking a walk.
Are you familiar with this area?
Yes, I'm familiar with this area.